What's up, everybody? It's Elle from 12 South. One of the coolest features of AirFly Pro 2 is that it works in both transmit mode and receive mode. But what do those mean, and how do you switch between them? Let's break it down. AirFly Pro 2 has a TX/RX toggle button on the side. TX mode is transmit mode. This sends audio from a wired headphone jack, like an airplane screen, a treadmill, or a gaming console, to your Bluetooth headphones. RX mode is receive mode. This does the opposite. It receives Bluetooth audio from your phone, tablet, or computer and plays it through wired speakers, car stereos, or aux in ports. To switch between modes, just slide this TX/RX switch to the setting you need. It's that easy. Got more questions? Drop them in the comments. We're here to help. Thanks for watching and happy listening.